we have a real quick update in the YSL trial. In short, the state, less than 2 hours before the deadline to submit their response to the motions to recuse Judge Glanville, they have asked for more time. They're asking for 48 hours. We'll look at the full filing in a second. But before we flip over to the motion for additional time, I wanted to look at this filing today. We're not going to look at all the transcripts that are attached, but I wanted to explain what it was. So today at 2:56 p.m., Wesley Kearns, the senior staff attorney to Judge Glanville, filed a notice of filing. So comes now, the undersigned, and hereby files this notice of filing of the court's exhibits referenced in footnote 1 of the court's July 1st, 2024 order, releasing the transcript of the June 1st, 2024 ex parte conversation. There's a typo there that should say the 10th, which are attached here. And those exhibits, so if you look at that footnote 1, those exhibits include the transcript of June 10th, the ex parte meeting, Mr. Copeland's immunity agreement, which we got a pretty good look at through the transcript from the ex parte meeting, the transcript of June 7th, that was the in-court proceeding on that Friday. You can go and watch that on YouTube. You can replay that. But the June 7th order of contempt and incarceration for Kenneth Copeland, the transcript of June 10th's in-court proceedings, and then on June 10th, the order of contempt and incarceration for Brian Steel. So that was another filing today, just so you guys know. And then Thugger Daily and Joseph Papp both uploaded this document, so shout out to them. And you can see at the top here, it was filed at 3:26 p.m., so just shy of an hour and a half before Judge Rachel Krause's deadline. So you have the state's motion for additional time to file a response brief for recusal motion. The state of Georgia hereby moves this honorable court for a 48-hour extension of time to respond to defendant's motion to recuse the Honorable Chief Judge Glanville in the trial of the above-styled case. In support of this motion, the state shows this honorable court the following. And then we go through that defendants Jeffrey Williams and Diamante Kendrick are currently being tried for charges of conspiracy to violate the Racketeer Influence and Corrupt Organization Act, or RICO, and murder for Kendrick only. Defendant Williams filed a motion to recuse the Honorable Chief Judge Glanville on June 17, 2024, and defendant Kendrick filed a similar motion on June 12, 2024. This honorable court entered an order requiring a response from the state no later than 5 p.m. Monday, July 8, 2024, and the footnote here says the court asked for a response to non-party Caleb Bumpus's motion to recuse, filed on June 14, 2024. On July 1st, 2024, Chief Judge Glanville suspended that proceeding indefinitely. Therefore, the motion to recuse is moot. So, in other words, we're asking for an extension on these other two, but we don't need to file a response to that one at all. The undersigned Chief Deputy District Attorney is preparing the state's response, but was unexpectedly called away from work after a medical emergency involving an immediate family member occurred. Now, the Chief Deputy District Attorney is Adrian Love. As a result of the unexpected medical emergency, the state of Georgia respectfully moves this honorable court for an extension of 48 hours to file the state's response to defendants' motions to recuse. The state believes that it is imperative to the ends of justice that the matter of the motions to recuse be resolved as expeditiously as possible. The state will act without delay in submitting the state's response. We ask for a 48-hour extension only to ensure that this matter is properly addressed by the state, given the unexpected recent set of circumstances. And hopefully by unexpected recent set of circumstances, they just mean this medical emergency and not the ex parte meeting that they knew and wanted to have that Friday, that Monday morning. Because that's not really unexpected, but whatever. Wherefore, the state hereby respectfully requests the court to grant its motion for additional time to file a response brief for recusal motion. Respectfully submitted this 8th day of July, 2024, Adrian Love. And, submitted this 8th day at 3:26 p.m. So there you go, you guys. If you're looking for that update coming at 5 p.m., it's not going to be today. It seems like with 48 hours, if this is extended, we should be seeing that Wednesday before end of business day. Unless there's another request for more time. We'll see. Cliffhanger. Let me know your thoughts, you guys. You guys all have a good one and hope you guys had a great weekend. Take care.